How to renew your Costco membership. Hello, everybody. If you guys are also looking out for that, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So, what you may do is you may just head over and look out for Costco.com. Just search for Costco in your browser and look out for Costco membership. Tap on it, and you will be taken to the membership page where you will be finding this particular interface. So, first of all, you may look out for this option called Become a Member and tap on it and you will be taken to the membership page. So here you'll be finding options to create up your membership if you do not have one. But if you would like to renew, you will also be finding option called renew membership right below already a Costco member option. You may tap on that hyperlink in order to open up another page. So wait for the page to load up. After you reach over to that section, you can just head over and follow the prompts in order to renew your membership for Costco. So first of all, you need to provide in your email address for your Costco. Just go ahead and provide them. After that, go over and provide your password and sign in into your Costco account. Once that is done, you may just go ahead and navigate to the renew membership section and follow the prompts. And you can also renew at the register during the checkout or by visiting the membership counter. And that is it. For automatic renewal, you can even add a credit card to your account online, and that way also you can renew it. The site will guide you through the process, which may including selecting payment method, review information, and complete the renewable process, and that will automatically renew your Costco membership easily. So that is it. If you'd also like to renew your Costco membership, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.